fashionistas! Welcome to our second vlog. It's us again, Missy and Sayuri, and today we're gonna do a shop tour!
Yay! Yes guys, ito yung small business namin magkapatid.
Yes! Okay guys, so before we start, we're gonna tell you muna if how did we started this boutique.
Yes, paano nga ba?
Okay, since before kasi, me and my ate really like fashion especially those times that we were in Singapore. We used to live there, by the way.
Oh my God guys, napakadaming anik-anik dun for fashion.
What?
So if fashionista ka and you want shopping, that is the place to be.
Ihanda nyo na pera nyo.
So I was working in a boutique there, and si Sayuri, umuwi na ng Pinas noon for good.
Yeah, I was here na noon and bored as hell. So nag-iisip-isip ako kung ano nga bang business yung pwede kong pasukin para may gawin naman ako sa life ko. So, I talked to my friend, Jason Burns, about my idea nga to put up a boutique. Yan nga pala, Jason Burns. But that time, we were not ready. So, instead of sumuko, I called my ate in Singapore na lang and says, Ate, why don't you just come home na lang and we just make business here?
Oo, bigla-biglang tumatawag yan nang gugulat. Pero pumayag na din ako kasi gusto ko na ding umuwi at magkaroon ng business.
So, we started planning and put everything together in one piece and then, voila! Sassy Fox! Here it is! Hello guys! So, we're here na in the car going to the shop. I'm with my ate again.
Hello!
Yeah, and today we have a special guest. A little young man. Hello, what's your name? What's your name?
Theo Bolton.
Wow, where are you going right now?
I'm going to the shop.
Wow, yay! Very good.
Mga 20 minutes pa guys. Going to the shop from our house.
Okay guys, so you need to remember that every time you go out, you need to wear a face mask.
Excited na ba kayo? Kasi kami excited na. Shop, and ang name nga pala ng boutique namin ay Sassy Fox.
Yeah, don't ask na lang if bakit naging Sassy Fox ang name kasi I can't remember na rin. Okay guys, so we started 2016, so it's nearly 5 years now. Medyo matagal na rin
Oo nga.
Okay, so what do you like most about Sassy Fox?
Ang sarap lang kasi sa feeling na yung passion mo ay fashion din. So, na-express mo yung gusto mong gawin dito sa shop.
Oo, tama. Especially me, kasi I like accessories. Diba? Yung mga gusto talaga ng mga girls, nandito na talaga lahat, guys. Okay, guys. So, this is how it looks like when you enter the shop. Hi!
Hi! Welcome to Sassy Fox! Okay, guys. So, our shop have two sides. One is for pangmasa, and the other one is for yayamanin.
Yes, guys. So, if you're in a budget, dito ka sa first side ng shop na to. But if it's your payday and you wanna be a rich kid, dumiretso ka na sa likod.
So, yung nasa likod, guys, is our premium collection, which is more fashionable, more stylish, and maharlika.
Okay, but before that, let's show them muna kung anong nandito sa pangmasa side ng shop natin. so this is the house of cosmetics from Japan and Korea. This is my favorite side of the shop. Ito ang favorite kong tambayan eh. Pati din naman ng mga students, ito ang favorite nilang tambayan dito. Okay, so what do we have in here? So we have soaps, mask, more soaps, contact lenses, nail polish, and what is that? Korean mask. I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. Okay, the contact lenses, the soaps, more soaps, the mask, and then what is that? It's all for the face. I'm not really sure if it's a toner. And some creams. Okay, here are the lipsticks, lip tint, and etc. etc. Makeups. And then some magnets, I think. Brushes and more lipstick. Okay. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like when you need to pay na. Hi!
Hi!
May discount po ba?
It depends if you have our VIP card.
What?
You need to collect 10 stickers so that you can upgrade to our VIP card.
Ah, okay. So 10 purchases and then I can get the VIP card na.
Yes.
Yes, ito na yung pangyayamanin, guys.
Okay, let's go!
Okay, guys. So, this is how it looked like. So, premium collection. So, here are the jumpsuits, jump shorts. Yes, yan, rompers. Wigs. We also have wigs. And scarves. So, here we have more designs of tops. Yeah, sleeveless. And then, long sleeve. And then, we have few shorts na very fashionista ang dating. And then here are the jumpsuits. Yes. Here are the dresses. Yeah. And then here there's more dresses. Laces dresses. And then here are more tops and more skirts. Ang cute, diba? Sobrang cute ng mga skirt dito. I like this one. I like the color of this one, actually. Yeah, this is very nice. Okay. And then, okay, so these are the dress. It's very nice. Good fabric also. Okay, and then more dress. Sobrang dami ng mga dress dito sa premium collection namin. Yes, there's a Japanese dress din dun, no? Okay, more lace dress. Maganda kasi sa lace dress. You can wear it pag formal occasions. Or if you're going to church, yeah. Okay. And then, what's that? Yes, more dresses pa din. Okay. And then, tops. Ito. Very fashionista ng mga tops dito. Cute. Okay. Here are the nude color dresses. I like the nude color dresses. Super cute eh. Wait. Let me have a look. Okay, like this one. O, diba? Sobrang cute. Okay. And then this one. Okay, what else do we have? Okay. We have shoes and pouch and accessories and more shoes and accessories. Yan. And then here we have a very big mirror. Okay, and what's that? Rattan bag. From Bali, I think. Okay. So let's move on. So these are the polo shirts na pwede niyong isuot for formal attire. Yeah, this is super cute. And very thick fabric din, ha? Okay. Okay, guys. So here we have 2 dressing room. Yeah. And 3 mannequin na kalbo. They look cute, though. Okay, guys. So here we have the cocktail dresses and night dresses na if you like to look bongacious. Okay. I like this one. This has a lot of glitters on it.
Yan ang favorite area ng mga beauty queen natin dito sa Laguna.
Ay, wow!
Hi, Mrs. Grace Abansado, our Mrs. International 2019.
Hello po! Okay, here we have more skirt. Mga long skirt. Let's see. What's this? This is very heavy, ha? Grabe ang tela nito. Sobrang heavy. And then here, cute na mga colors ng skirt. Fitted skirt. Yan, para sa mga sexy dyan. Ito naman, I don't know what it's called pero parang umuso na rin to before. Kaya meron din kami niyan. Wow, super cute naman this skirt. Oh, diba? And then fitted top. Okay. Super duper cute. Okay, and here are the jumpsuit. Okay, let's go. Let's move on to the other side. Okay, these are the, what's this? Pants. Pants. And skirt na mga may designs. Super cute, ha? Okay, may flower siya. Ang cute ng pants. We also have this kind of headbands. Oh. Cute ng mga color, guys. And we have these mules. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looked like in premium collection. We have 2 dressing room there. Ang cute ng mga dito ng mga fashion dito. Okay, I'll show you some, ha. Wait lang. Like this one, this Colombo type of dress. Usong-uso to ngayon Oh my god, guys, ang cute nitong dress na to. Wait, I'm gonna show you. There. Wow, super cute, diba? I like the color pati. Super nakakaputi siya. Okay. Okay, guys, so let's move on with the rompers. At ang cute din ng color nito I also like this kind of color na parang light lang siya. Gray, brown. Ang cute Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, yeah, this kind of romper. Meron din kami yan. Basta guys, sobrang dami kayong mapipili dito sa premium. Kung gusto niyo talaga ng fashion, dito kayo sa Premium Collection pumunta ng mga tops, skirt, dresses. Oh my God, ang cute! Ipapakita naman namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga pinamili namin kanina dun sa shop.
Yes guys, tama ang narinig nyo. Namili kami sa sarili namin shop. Pero syempre, pag owner ka, kailangan mo pa rin magbayad sa sariling shop mo para hindi kayo malugi.
Okay ate, papakita ko muna sa kanila kung ano yung napamili ko. Okay, so what do we have? Wait, tatanggalin ko muna lahat sa bag para hindi na ako maguluhan. Okay, so ang napamili ko ay itong skirt. Ang cute, di ba? Oh, ayan. Okay, so color white siya. Maganda kasi siya, may ruffles siya sa baba, kaya nakaka-sexy siyang tingnan.
Oo nga.
So this is 850 kasi sa Premium Collection na ako kumuha. Next, itong top. Ayan. Parang ang lakas kasi yung maka-sexy.
Uso ngayon yan.
Usong-uso ngayon.
Black sleeve.
Diba? Ang cute niya. Tsaka, you know me, I like black. Kaya, yan. Okay yan sa akin. And then next, ay... Kasama pa yung galit ko dito. Next ay yung skirt. Yung sinabi ko kanina sa video na napaka-cute. Ito may parang feather siya. Ayan o. Humus na rin kasi ito eh. Super cute, kaya kinuha ko na rin siya. So, ang bili ko dito ay 1,200. Sa premium ko rin siya kinuha. Super cute, guys.
Ganda.
Tapos, etong strapless na bra kasi kailangan ko lagi eh. Pagka naka-tube or backless.
Or off-shoulder.
Oo, off-shoulder. Tapos, etong soap na pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. Grabe guys, etong soap na to nakakapag glass skin siya ng mukha, kaya gusto ko siya. Wait, pakita ko. Kita ba? Yan. So yan, kinuha ko. This is for 100 pesos lang to. And last one, yung Japanese soap na pa-baby ng skin. Ang cute eh. Oh. Ayan. Ayun, so ayun lang yung mga napamili ko kasi nagtitipid ako ngayon.
Tipid pa pala yan.
Okay, ano pinamili mo?
Ako, pinamili ko, eto. Galing muna natin dito.
Aba, nakarami pa pala.
Nakadami pala ako, hindi ko napansin. Okay, ito muna. Etong, ripped jeans. Bet ko kasi ito kanina nung sa runway.
Ay, oo, di ba sinulat mo yan?
Ang ganda, sa ngayon to.
Ganda niya.
Tapos, bumili na rin ako ng pantulog. Meron pala kami pantulog, guys.
Ang cute!
Pantulog ay 480 pesos. Kaya, may katerno siyang, shorts. Tapos, itong fluffy sleeve din, na pa-crop top siya.
Ay, oo.
Ganda, diba?
Parang ganun sa akin kanina.
Oo, parang ganun. Pero ito, 3/4. Ito ay 380 pesos.
Mura na yan, ha?
Oo, mura. Ganda ng kulay.
Ganda ng quality ng tela.
Hindi siya manipis.
Okay, so what else?
Bumili rin akong shorts. Pang-TikTok.
Oh my God!
Ito ay 350. Boho shorts.
Okay.
Then, last one ay Venus top. Yan.
Ang cute. Bet ka din yan.
280 pesos lang.
Minsan pera mo ko niyan, ha?
Oo, ano sa'yo yan.
Okay.
Tapos itong earrings from Korea. Yan.
Okay.
Ano lang siya, 150 pesos.
Ay, ang mura.
Tsaka itong collagen serum from Japan. Ano lang to? 100 pesos. O, diba? Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
Guys, thank you for watching our second vlog.
Okay guys, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, subscribe na kayo.
And please click the bell button for more updates.
Bye!